Hey friends, Aubrey here. You're most probably seeing this right now because you're a creative. You know that you're meant for bigger things, but you're feeling maybe a little bit stagnant in your growth, struggling with direction and focus, or perhaps maybe even lost with where to begin with it all in creating content that is close to your heart, paired back with strategy so that it actually gets noticed. I totally get it. I started the Love Assembly from scratch. And although it's been an incredible journey, that doesn't mean that it didn't come with both its struggles and challenges. My photography, blog, and content creation work has led me to travel all around the world. I've been paid to create for leading tourism boards, airlines, lifestyle brands, and leading publications, become a worldwide speaker, run creative workshops, and publish a book with dream stockists such as Anthropologie and Urban Outfitters. Remember how I shared with you my word or overall theme for the year? Well, I'm dedicated to connecting deeper and helping you design a life that you love, which is why I'm so excited to share with you the launch of my new e-course, Heart of the Creative Hustle. Whether you're just getting started and you need that clear direction to feel confident in hitting the ground running, or you're more experienced and you want to learn the strategies to up-level, refine, and grow your brand for more time and freedom, I made this for you. I've gone through plenty of trial and error, and so I'm so keen to share with you what just works. I'm literally pulling back the curtain on my whole creative working world and sharing all of my secrets. Click through to find out more and enroll because spots are limited, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on making the world your office doing something that you love. I can't wait to see you on the inside. You're going to love it.